Welcome dear students to another part of our class standard 4th subject EVS. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is ear to ear. Ear, it is the sense organ of our body. There are 5 sense organs in our body: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We use our ears to hear different kind of sounds. Same way, animals also has sense organs. The ear of the animal that help them to hear different kind of sounds. They can escape from their enemies by hearing the sound of their enemies. In the textbook, there is a picture of some animals. When we observe this picture carefully, we can see the animals' ears are not placed on the correct animal's head. The elephant's ear is placed on giraffe, and the elephant got mouse ears. Rabbit got giraffe's ear, and the mouse got dog's ear. And the rabbit's ear is placed on dog's head. And the buffalo got deer ear, and the deer got buffalo's head. You can correct and locate in the correct place the place given in your textbook. All the animals, they have ears. Their ears are different shape and size. Elephant has a huge ears, but a goat has a leaf-like small ear. So all the animals have ears, but they are different in shape and size. Now we can arrange the animals into 2 categories. The animals which ear we can see from outside are deer, elephant, buffalo, cat, giraffe, monkey and pig. All these animals' ears we can see from the outside. And some animals are there, their ears we cannot see from outside, but they have ears like fish, ant, sparrow, lizard, duck and crow. All these animals have ear, but we cannot see their ears from the outside. Look, birds. Birds have ears. There are 2 tiny holes on their head. Their body is covered with feather, so their ears are also covered by the feather. So we cannot see their ears from outside. Animals like elephant, deer, monkey, cat, their ears we can see from outside. Now animals like a snake, lizard and crocodile, their ears we cannot see from outside. Their ears are covered by skin. They have tiny holes on their head. These tiny holes are their ears, and they can also hear the sounds. And animal whose ear is like a fan. Can you name them? Yes, it is elephant's ear. An animal with ears like leaf, that is goat. An animal with ears on the top of its head is rabbit. An animal with ears on both sides of its head is dog, buffalo, etc. So it's clear that all the animals, they have ears, but they are in different shape and sizes, and some animals' ears we can see from outside, while some animals' ears we cannot see from the outside. They have tiny holes on their head. They are covered by feather, yeah, skin. How can we recognize animals? We can recognize some animals by patterns on their body. Some animals like zebra, tiger, deer, leopard, they have patterns in their body. Tiger, zebra have stripes on their body. Leopard has spots on their body surface. Deer also have some pattern on their body. These patterns are due to the hair present on them. We can identify the animals with the help of their patterns on their body. Next, animals. The word animals means insects, birds, reptiles and mammals. Insects means honeybee, butterfly and are insects. Birds, crow, parrot, sparrow, pigeon, etc. are birds. Reptiles, snake, lizard, crocodile are reptiles. Mammals, higher animals like cow, lion, deer and human beings are mammals. So the word animals means insects, birds, reptiles and mammals. Next, habitat. The place where an animal lives is called their habitat. There are different types of habitats are there. The animal which live on land is called terrestrial animals and the habitat is called terrestrial habitat. And some animals, they live on water. They are called aquatic animals. So the animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals and their habitat is terrestrial habitat. The animals which live in water, they are called aquatic animals and their habitat is water. And some animals, they live on trees like monkey and squirrel. That habitat is called arboreal. And some animals like birds, they spend most of their time in air in flying. Such animals are called aerial animals. So there are different habitats. Some animals live on land and some animals live in water, and some animals live on trees, and some animals they spend their most of time in air. They are called aerial animals. The animals have different food habits. Different animals eat different type of food. The animals which eat plant and plant parts are called herbivores. Example: cow, deer, elephant, etc. Some animals they eat flesh of other animals. They are called carnivorous. Example: lion, tiger, fox, wolf, etc. So today we learned the different kind of ears in different animals. Some animals have ear that we can see from outside, and some animals ear that we cannot see from outside. Their ears shape and size is different, and some animals eat plant and plant parts, and some animals eat flesh of other animals. Animals live in different places. The animals which live on land is called terrestrial animal, and the animals which live in water are called aquatic animals, and some animals live on trees. They are called arboreal animals, and the animals which spend most of their time in air are called aerial animals. So this is the end of our session today. We shall continue with our subject or next part of our class. Thank you.